What's good, YT? Chaos Araji back with another vid. Today I'll be installing my first mod, my NVIDIA M1 catback exhaust system for my Mitsubishi Eclipse. I don't really plan on this video being too long. I'm at home right now. I'm about to head to Advanced Auto Parts, meet up with my friend. He's about to help me put this on. First mod. Yeah, I'm not really much of a talkative person. Next mod I do plan on to do will be brakes. I know originally I said I was gonna go with suspension, but I feel like my brakes are already trying to give out. Since I need the brakes to replace, might as well get out anyways. I think after that, then maybe I'll do suspension going down from there. But yeah, I'll see you back at the next what's the word I'm looking for? The next checkpoint. As you can see, we are now at the destination, the catback exhaust. Finna go in here, grab my friend, and then we about to get to work. Yes sir, yes sir. It's about to rain, so we're gonna try to speed this up as quick as possible. Cause yeah.
That's the problem right there. What is that? The topinator. See, the topinator hooked up to the motor. The motor ain't pushing enough pressure out for the gas pedal. The gas.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I'm gonna start it off slow. I'm gonna scope the scenery out.
See this shot? I'm not gonna wrap it yet.
Hours later.
I got this!
As you can see, we got the old exhaust off. Now we're about to put on the new exhaust. Once we do that, fire her up, get her ripping and running, see what she's like in the video. Let me show you guys what it looked like so far. So this is the exhaust. This is the way it's set up like that. It goes in, this goes to the very back to the cat, followed by this, and then this is the muffler. Yep. And then they gave me more bolts. Like they gave me new bolts and gaskets.
Oh, good.
So yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's finish this. Cool. Appreciate you for the help, man.
Car culture requirement. If a kid asks, you gotta rev it.
I don't see why you had this car.
You ready?
Yes.
Give it a good 3,500.
had to cut majority of this video short because I had the longest clip I had was like 31 minutes, and I'm editing on CapCut, whatever the case is, and it's telling me like insufficient storage space, not enough iCloud or cloud videos or whatever the case is. This shit blowing me for real. So I'm mad because like that was like the biggest part of this vid, like the experience of me doing that entire exhaust, bro, just for me to not put it into the vid. So yeah, I had to cut some of the experience down short. Sorry if it seems like lackluster, you know, but this next part will be nice though. This is the testing, the test to see how the car sounds, and you know, doing a little run, quick little run.
You got room to get through?
Now we about to do a test run. I'm scared, I'm excited at the same time. You ready, Mom?
Yeah.
Let the wrong nigga get in the car. Power to this shit, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, can I do a U-turn at that light down there?
Nah.
Damn, you know what I was talking about?
The one that goes on to military cutoff? Nah.
Oh, you heard the little crackle?
Yeah.
The little tiny pop. You ready?
Oh, you got the goggles on like you was in a science class.
Bro, I was mechanic, bro. I was doing that shit.
What else you was about to do?
Nothing. We finna go back to the house because we gotta set up this dresser. Yeah. I got some old shit at, like, I left all my shit at their store, so I gotta go back and clean my mess up, but that's it.
Wait, what?
My old exhaust. It's still at Advanced Auto Parts. They let me install it. They told me.
You might as well drive me over there. I was about to walk over there.
What? Fuck it. Damn, I ain't got no space in this shit.
Damn.
See if you can lift your feet up real quick, mom.
I can sit in the back.
No.
Come on, stay in the back. No.
What the hell?
No, I can sit on top of that for real.
No.
It's not that
We just about to
long.
scoot this up.
Oh my god. Oh.
We're back, chat. Finna drop him off to work. Not work, but finna drop him off to boat time. And then after that, clean my nuts up, head back home. Conclusion of the video. Ready? Wait till I get on the highway.
Did you want to go on the? Well,
I can't make a U-turn.
you can, but like, you know they be deep over there.
What, the police?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna trip.
Oh, I seen somebody with your car. They had a gray one though.
That's just probably stock color.
But this shit sounds so
Well, I definitely feel that power increase. I feel that. Highway. Which highway? This one?
The military cutoff. Yeah.
They ain't got no U-turn there.
You can make a U-turn.
Where?
There be like random left turns. You could just make a U-turn.
Should we do that?
Yeah, you can. If not, you could just go all the way like you go into the house and then take exit 25 and just circle back around.
My time.
Brethren.
That's not.
What was that?
I don't know. That shit sound like air.
Ah.
You heard that?
Yeah.
That ain't sound sweet. My part, they good. Wait, what am I doing a U-turn at? I missed it.
There's another one coming up.
All the way down there?
Yep.
This one?
Yeah.
Fuck.
There's another one. Bro.
Better in person than it is on video.
I feel like all you gonna hear is wind.
shit. I need to
Look at that sun. You
Oh,
see
that's
that?
fire.
Oh my god. He was looking at me. Is this a turn?
Yeah, I think.
The down shit. Nigga sped up, bro. hear that? The little crackers? That's awesome.
Okay.
Little crackles and pops, bro. No tune. Straight with the pipe. Bro, I think I got a clip. I did one with no exhaust. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
That shit was so loud. It still had that bass too. Alright, YT, we're back home after a long, successful day. I did all that after a 10-hour shift, by the way. And then I still have more stuff to do outside of that because I had to take money to the bank for work and all that other crap. But yeah, we're here. Mission was a go. Mission was success. We back home. Old lady, laying down and whatnot. We finna chill out, take a good shower, proceed about our day. So can't guarantee like what the next video is gonna be. Could be a vlog, could be another car video, I don't know, but we'll see. I don't even know how I'm gonna put this all together. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it afterwards, but hopefully everything comes out right and you guys can enjoy the content that I'll provide out in the future. Forgot my outro. Don't forget to always show peace, love, and prosperity. Yep, don't forget to always show peace, love, and prosperity. And always pray. Always pray. Chaos Araji signing out. Peace.